Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox faster. First, let's dive into optimizing your in-game graphics settings. Open Roblox, navigate to the Settings menu, and find the graphics options. Change the graphics mode to manual, and then significantly reduce the graphics quality slider. This simple adjustment can often provide an immediate boost, potentially increasing your frame rate by 10 to 15 frames per second, making your gameplay much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, it's crucial to close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. Programs like web browsers with many tabs, streaming services, or other games consume valuable processing power and memory. Open your Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS to identify and end these processes. Freeing up these resources can dedicate nearly 100% of your system's power to Roblox, leading to a noticeable performance improvement. Third, ensure your graphics drivers and the Roblox client itself are always up to date. Outdated drivers can severely limit your graphics card's efficiency, directly impacting game performance. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, to download the latest versions. Similarly, always let the Roblox client update to its newest iteration. These updates often include critical performance enhancements and bug fixes, ensuring you're running the game at its absolute best. Finally, let's consider your internet connection and hardware. A stable, fast connection is vital for online gaming. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for consistency. While not always feasible, upgrading older components like your computer's RAM or graphics processing unit can offer the most significant performance leap. Even adding just 4 to 8 gigabytes of extra RAM can make a substantial difference, especially if your current system is struggling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.